Greek science is renowned for its significant contributions to various fields of knowledge that have shaped our understanding of the world. The ancient Greeks were pioneers in scientific thought, laying the foundation for many disciplines that we study today. One fascinating aspect of Greek science is its emphasis on observation and rational thinking. Instead of relying solely on myths and superstitions, Greek scholars sought to understand the natural world through investigation and reasoning. This approach led to groundbreaking discoveries that still influence modern science. One interesting fact is that the Greeks were the first to develop a comprehensive system of geometry. Euclid, often referred to as the father of geometry, wrote the influential work Elements, which became the standard textbook on the subject for centuries. Another intriguing detail is that the Greeks made significant advancements in the field of optics. The mathematician and astronomer Ptolemy wrote the Optics, a treatise that explored the behavior of light and vision. Greek scientists also made remarkable progress in understanding the human body and its ailments. The physician Hippocrates, known as the father of medicine, revolutionized medical practice by emphasizing the importance of observation and diagnosis. His ethical code, the Hippocratic Oath, is still recited by physicians today. These examples highlight the innovative spirit and intellectual curiosity of Greek scientists, whose legacy continues to inspire and inform our modern scientific endeavors. Greek astronomy is marked by remarkable contributions that have profoundly influenced our understanding of the cosmos. One of the most fascinating aspects of Greek astronomy is the development of the geocentric model of the universe. This model, proposed by the philosopher Aristotle and further refined by Ptolemy, placed the Earth at the center of the universe with celestial bodies moving in circular orbits around it. This geocentric view dominated Western astronomical thought for centuries until it was challenged by the heliocentric model proposed by Copernicus in the 16th century. Despite being eventually proven incorrect, the geocentric model demonstrated the Greeks' sophisticated grasp of celestial motion and their dedication to systematic observation and analysis. Another significant contribution of Greek astronomy is the cataloging of stars and constellations. The Greek astronomer Hipparchus is credited with creating the first comprehensive star catalog, which cataloged around 850 stars and their positions in the sky. This catalog laid the groundwork for future astronomers, providing a reference point for studying the night sky. In addition to star cataloging, the Greeks were also pioneers in developing sophisticated instruments for observing the heavens. The astrolabe, a complex device used for measuring the positions of celestial objects, was invented by the Greek astronomer Hipparchus. This instrument revolutionized astronomical observation, allowing astronomers to make precise calculations of celestial movements and positions. Greek astronomers were also skilled mathematicians who made significant contributions to the field of trigonometry. The Greek mathematician Hipparchus is credited with introducing the concept of trigonometry into astronomy, using it to calculate the distances and sizes of celestial bodies. His work laid the foundation for the development of modern trigonometry and its applications in fields such as navigation and engineering. In terms of numbers and statistics, the Greeks made impressive strides in measuring and predicting celestial events. For example, the Greek astronomer Eratosthenes accurately calculated the circumference of the Earth using simple geometric principles and observations of the sun's angles at different locations. His calculation was remarkably close to the modern value, demonstrating the Greeks' skill in applying mathematics to real-world problems. Additionally, the Greek astronomer Ptolemy compiled a comprehensive astronomical work known as the Almagest, which contained detailed observations, calculations, and theories on the motion of celestial bodies. The Almagest remained the authoritative text on astronomy for over a millennium, highlighting the enduring impact of Greek astronomical achievements. These fascinating details and statistics underscore the immense contributions of Greek astronomers to our understanding of the universe, paving the way for future advancements in astronomy and cosmology. Greek astronomy was enriched by the contributions of several key figures who played pivotal roles in advancing our understanding of the cosmos. One such figure is Aristarchus of Samos, a Greek astronomer and mathematician who proposed the first known heliocentric model of the solar system. Aristarchus theorized that the Earth revolved around the Sun, centuries before Copernicus reintroduced the concept. His groundbreaking idea was met with skepticism at the time, but laid the foundation for future heliocentric models. Another notable figure is Claudius Ptolemy, whose work Almagest synthesized the astronomical knowledge of his time, providing a comprehensive account of celestial motions and positions. Ptolemy's geocentric model of the universe, although later proven inaccurate, was a significant milestone in the history of astronomy. Hipparchus, often referred to as the father of trigonometry, made substantial contributions to observational astronomy and mathematical techniques. He developed the concept of the astrolabe, an instrument used for measuring celestial positions, and accurately calculated the length of the solar year. Eratosthenes, a polymath from ancient Greece, made notable contributions to astronomy by calculating the Earth's circumference with impressive accuracy using simple geometric principles and observations of shadows. His calculation was only off by a few percentage points from the modern value, showcasing his remarkable intellect and analytical skills. These key figures in Greek astronomy not only advanced the field through their innovative ideas and observations, but also laid the groundwork for future generations of astronomers to build upon. Their enduring legacy continues to inspire and shape our understanding of the universe. Greek mathematics flourished during antiquity, producing groundbreaking achievements that laid the foundation for modern mathematical principles. One of the most notable contributions of Greek mathematicians is the development of geometry as a formalized system of reasoning. Euclid, known as the father of geometry, compiled his influential work, Elements, which consisted of 13 books covering various geometric principles and proofs. This comprehensive treatise became the standard textbook on geometry for over 2,000 years, highlighting the enduring impact of Greek mathematical thought. Another significant advancement in Greek mathematics was the concept of infinity. The philosopher-mathematician Zeno of Elea introduced paradoxes that challenged conventional notions of infinity, such as his famous paradoxes of motion. These thought experiments sparked debates on the nature of infinity and continuity, paving the way for future developments in calculus and analysis. Greek mathematicians also made remarkable progress in number theory. Pythagoras, a renowned mathematician and philosopher, founded the Pythagorean school, which explored the properties of numbers and geometric relationships. The Pythagorean theorem, one of the most famous results attributed to Pythagoras, states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. This fundamental theorem has applications in various fields, including physics, engineering, and cryptography. Archimedes, another prominent Greek mathematician, made significant contributions to the field of calculus and mathematical physics. He developed methods for calculating areas and volumes of geometric shapes, such as the method of exhaustion for approximating the value of pi. Archimedes also formulated principles of statics and hydrostatics, laying the groundwork for modern mechanics and fluid dynamics. In terms of interesting numbers and statistics, the Greeks were fascinated by perfect numbers, which are numbers that equal the sum of their proper divisors. Euclid proved that if 2 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 is a prime number, then 2 raised to the power of 4 minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 is a perfect number, known as Euclid's theorem on perfect numbers. For example, the number 28 is a perfect number because the sum of its divisors, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, equals 28. The Greeks also made strides in understanding irrational numbers, such as the square root of 2, which cannot be expressed as a simple fraction. The discovery of irrational numbers challenged the Pythagorean belief in the rationality and order of the universe, leading to new insights into the nature of numbers and geometry. These captivating details and statistics underscore the ingenuity and creativity of Greek mathematicians, whose pioneering work continues to shape the landscape of mathematics and inspire generations of scholars. Famous Greek mathematicians have left an indelible mark on the field of mathematics with their innovative ideas and enduring contributions. One such luminary is Pythagoras, whose eponymous theorem revolutionized geometry and number theory. Pythagoras founded a philosophical and mathematical school that explored the mystical properties of numbers, leading to the discovery of the Pythagorean theorem, which relates the sides of a right triangle. Another notable figure is Euclid, renowned for his work Elements, a comprehensive compilation of geometric principles and proofs that became a cornerstone of mathematical education for centuries. Euclid's meticulous approach to geometry laid the groundwork for axiomatic reasoning and deductive proofs in mathematics. Moving forward in history, Archimedes stands out as a brilliant mathematician and inventor. Known for his contributions to calculus and physics, Archimedes devised innovative methods for calculating areas, volumes, and centers of gravity, pushing the boundaries of mathematical knowledge. An intriguing number associated with Archimedes is the approximation of pi. By inscribing and circumscribing polygons within a circle, Archimedes calculated that pi lies between 3 and 1/7 and 3 and 10/71, a remarkably accurate estimation for his time. Delving into the realm of numbers, another remarkable Greek mathematician is Diophantus, often hailed as the father of algebra. Diophantus pioneered the study of algebraic equations and indeterminate analysis, influencing the development of algebraic notation and methods. One fascinating aspect of Diophantus's work is his exploration of Diophantine equations, which involve finding integer solutions to polynomial equations. These equations have practical applications in cryptography and number theory, making Diophantus' contributions enduring and impactful. The legacy of these famous Greek mathematicians continues to inspire mathematicians and scholars worldwide, showcasing the timeless relevance of their pioneering work. Greek medicine made significant advancements that continue to influence modern healthcare practices. One interesting detail is the establishment of the Hippocratic corpus, a collection of medical texts attributed to Hippocrates and his followers. These texts encompass a wide range of medical subjects, including anatomy, physiology, and treatments, reflecting the Greek systematic approach to medicine. The Hippocratic Oath, a moral code for physicians, is a notable component of the Hippocratic corpus, emphasizing ethical principles such as patient confidentiality and beneficence. Another fascinating aspect of Greek medicine is the concept of the four humors, a theory that posited that health and disease result from the balance or imbalance of four bodily fluids: blood, phlegm, black bile, and yellow bile. This theory influenced medical practices for centuries, shaping diagnostic and therapeutic approaches in ancient and medieval medicine. In terms of interesting statistics, the Greek physician Galen, a prominent figure in Roman medicine, wrote an estimated 500 treatises on various medical topics. Galen's extensive writings covered anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, and medical theory, making him one of the most prolific medical authors of antiquity. Galen's works were highly influential in medieval and early modern medicine, shaping medical education and practice for centuries. An intriguing fact is that the Greek physician Herophilus, known as the father of anatomy, conducted pioneering research on human anatomy in Alexandria during the 3rd century BCE. Herophilus made detailed anatomical observations and dissections, advancing the understanding of the human body's structure and functions. He identified the nervous system, liver, and brain structures, laying the groundwork for future anatomical studies. Herophilus' contributions to anatomy paved the way for the development of medical knowledge and surgical practices. Moving to the realm of pharmacology, the Greek physician Dioscorides compiled De Materia Medica, an influential pharmacopoeia that described over 600 medicinal plants and their properties. Dioscorides' work became a standard reference in pharmacology and botany, providing valuable insights into herbal medicine and drug preparation. The enduring legacy of Greek medicine is evident in the continued use of botanical remedies and herbal treatments in complementary and alternative medicine. These captivating details and statistics underscore the profound impact of Greek medicine on the evolution of healthcare practices and the enduring legacy of ancient medical knowledge. Notable Greek physicians made significant contributions to the field of medicine, leaving a lasting impact on healthcare practices. One intriguing figure is Asclepiades of Bithynia, a Greek physician known for his innovative approach to medicine. Asclepiades emphasized the importance of diet, exercise, and mental well-being in maintaining health, advocating for a holistic approach to patient care. He believed that diseases were caused by disturbances in the body's atoms and could be treated through lifestyle modifications and therapies. Another remarkable physician is Aretaeus of Cappadocia, who made significant advancements in the understanding of diabetes mellitus. Aretaeus described the symptoms of diabetes, including excessive thirst and urination, and proposed dietary management as a treatment approach. His detailed observations of diabetic patients laid the groundwork for future research on the disease. In terms of interesting statistics, Soranus of Ephesus, a Greek physician and gynecologist, wrote extensively on obstetrics and women's health. Soranus's work, Gynecology, covered various aspects of women's reproductive health, including pregnancy, childbirth, and gynecological disorders. His treatise provided valuable insights into ancient medical practices and the care of women during childbirth. Another notable physician, Rufus of Ephesus, made significant contributions to the field of surgery. Rufus developed surgical techniques for treating various conditions, such as cataracts and fractures, and emphasized the importance of cleanliness and wound care in preventing infections. His practical approach to surgery influenced future generations of physicians and surgeons. The pioneering work of these notable Greek physicians continues to inspire advancements in medical knowledge and patient care, highlighting the enduring legacy of ancient medical expertise. The impact of Greek science on modern knowledge is profound, with many of their discoveries and methodologies continuing to influence various fields of study. One interesting detail is the enduring legacy of Euclidean geometry, which serves as the basis for architectural design, engineering, and computer graphics. The geometric principles laid out by Euclid in his Elements have stood the test of time, providing a framework for understanding spatial relationships and shapes. An intriguing number is the concept of the golden ratio, also known as the divine proportion, which the Greeks considered aesthetically pleasing and harmonious. This ratio, approximately equal to 1.618, appears in art, architecture, and nature, reflecting the Greeks' appreciation for mathematical beauty. Moving to the realm of astronomy, Greek observations of the heavens continue to inform modern astrophysics and cosmology. For example, the work of Hipparchus in cataloging stars and calculating celestial movements laid the foundation for our understanding of the universe's vastness and complexity. The Greeks' emphasis on empirical observation and mathematical rigor in astronomy set a precedent for scientific inquiry that persists today. Another fascinating fact is the influence of Greek medical practices on modern healthcare. The holistic approach to medicine advocated by Greek physicians, such as Asclepiades, resonates with contemporary integrative medicine principles that combine conventional and alternative therapies. The legacy of Greek medicine, with its focus on preventive care and patient-centered treatment, continues to shape modern healthcare systems and practices, highlighting the enduring impact of ancient Greek science on our understanding of the world. An interesting detail is that the ancient Greeks were among the first to use mathematical principles in their study of the natural world, laying the groundwork for modern scientific inquiry. In terms of numbers and statistics, the Greek mathematician Pythagoras is credited with discovering the Pythagorean theorem, which relates the sides of a right triangle. This fundamental theorem, expressed as a squared plus b squared equals c squared, has practical applications in fields such as architecture and engineering. Another fascinating fact is that the Greek physician Hippocrates, considered the father of medicine, emphasized the importance of diet and lifestyle in maintaining health. His holistic approach to healthcare influenced the development of preventive medicine and patient-centered care. These captivating details and statistics underscore the enduring impact of Greek science on modern knowledge, inspiring future generations to explore the mysteries of the universe.